LTECH. Now we're at the booth of LTECH in the GILE exhibitions. So here, our new series of the products is the Dubai series of the smart home automation. And all of the products here we are using with the Bluetooth 5.0 sync mesh. And here, let me show you how to control this one, the Dubai series. So different with the gestures, can control the light, RGB light. The RGB light can control the brightness. Yes, back. Also can control with the remote. Very smooth. You can listen to the sound. Okay, so this is all for our Dubai series products. If you want to know more about the products of the LTECH, please follow my account. See you next time.